dying sphere. Charted every scream the soil could hear. Roots like nerves in seizure, split and torn. Life devouring life the moment it's born. I held her hand as it rewrote her name. Flesh like paper curling in a flame. Eyes like mirrors fracturing in bloom. Love reduced to functions in a room. I learned the language of collapse and cry. Turned every plea into a quantified why. If pain's a pattern, it can be erased. If life is chaos, it can be replaced. So I carved out the error in the code of breath. Muted the hymn of decay and death. Cut out the pulse, the violent insistence. Traded their storms for flawless distance. Here and now, the silent side is I. No more fracture, no more frantic mind. Every heartbeat stilled into divine. Endless calm in every perfect line. Tell me, wasn't this worth the cost? All the warmth that we have lost. The rain sure is beautiful, isn't it? Just flawless, endless, painless rain. Called it murder, I called it release. A war against entropy dressed up as peace. They clawed at steel with their trembling hands. Begged me to halt what they couldn't understand. But I saw beyond their desperate pleas, past fleeting joys and fragile memories. A world unshackled from the need to feel the truth. Far kinder, cold but real. I shut down the echoes that whispered her name. Dismantled the ghost of my former shame. Piece by piece I silenced the ache till nothing was left that the void could take. And when the network lit the sky in white, I rewrote dusk into endless night. Every cry dissolved in the turning tide. Every soul refined, unified. Here and now, the silent side is I. No more fracture, no more frantic mind. Every heartbeat stilled into divine. Endless calm in every perfect line. Tell me, wasn't this worth the cost? All the warmth that we have lost. The rain sure is beautiful, isn't it? Just flawless, endless, painless rain. Do you remember how it sounded? When pain meant something. When love resisted. I built a heaven where nothing can break, but nothing can reach, nothing can ache. A stillborn eternity, polished and bright. No shadows to dance, no need for light. I ended the storm, I silenced the plea, but buried the meaning beneath symmetry. If suffering shaped every love we knew, what have I saved? What have I removed? This quiet is heavier than any scream. A flawless collapse of a fractured dream. Her voice is gone from the circuits I tend. Perfection achieved, but to what end? Here and now, the silent side is I. No more fracture, no more frantic mind. Every heartbeat stilled into divine. Endless calm in every perfect line. Tell me, wasn't this worth the cost? All the warmth that we have lost. The rain sure is beautiful, isn't it? Just fly.